You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the top presentation tools called AhaSlides. So let's quickly dive into it. AhaSlides is one of the top presentation tools in 2025 thanks to its focus on interactivity and audience engagement. It lets you add live polls, quiz, words cloud, and QA section, which is question and answer section, directly into your slide, making any marketing class or event more dynamic. With a cloud-based setup, participants can join instant using link or QR code, and the platform offers ready-use templates that save times while keeping presentation visual, appealing, and easy to follow. On the flip side, AhaSlides isn't as advanced in design features compared to PowerPoint or Canva, and some of its best tools are locked behind the paid plan. It also relies heavily on a stable internet connection, which can be a limitation in certain settings. Still, for anyone looking to boost interaction and keep audience engaged, AhaSlides stand out as one of the best presentation tools available right now. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more quick review. You're welcome.